What's going on, everyone? This is Jay with Reviewi.t, and I wanted to do an update video on the 8 GPU mining rig. It is actually running very good. I've been running it almost about a full week and a half. It did take me some time getting all the GPUs flashed and getting it at the hash rate I wanted. Now, last time we checked, I was at 25 mega hashes and everything was running smooth. I was about 150 mega hashes for 6 GPUs. Now, if you guys don't remember, we returned the two 1070 Superclock editions because we had nothing but issues, and one of them wouldn't detect on any of the risers that I have. Also, we ended up picking up 2 more 580s, but rather than the GTR Black editions, I ended up picking up the GTSs, and I'm very impressed with them. So now we're running 580s across the whole board, and it is mining amazing. Now, as you guys remember, I said that I wanted to be at 220, 230 mega hashes. I'm actually currently at 241 mega hashes for all 8 GPUs, and I am stoked. This rig was definitely fun to build. It taught me a lot going into flashing the BIOS of the GPUs and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and change the view and let you guys see how the mining rig is running currently. Alright, you guys, so this is the 8 GPU mining rig from the first video. We have 6 XFX 580s GTR Black editions. Now, these all run in high-end memories. Now, these two 580s are the GTS version, and these are actually Samsung. So, as you guys know, same frame. Now, the BioStar board, I had nothing but issues. Nothing. It would sometimes not power on. Some of the people I conversated with said they got bad CMOS batteries with them. It just wasn't working out for me. So maybe some other people had some good luck. But as you see, I switched to a different motherboard. Now, the motherboard we're currently running is going to be the Asus Prime Z270A. Here is the 580 boxes. Now, I'm still currently running one 1200 watt, and I ended up switching this one to an 850. The reason for that, this power supply is only running this GPU, and this GPU. So I wanted to use the 1200 for another rig, and I will get to that shortly. But currently, the 1200 is running running the motherboard, the fans, and 3, 4, 5 GPUs with no issues whatsoever. Our current power usage on this rig is, this one is pulling 608. This one is pulling 880. So we're a little under, about 1400, about 1480, 1490. So under 1500 watts with all 8 GPUs running, and plus the fans. Now, current hash rate, what we're at is 141. So on these, the Hisense, I'm getting 30.5. So as you see it here, 30.5. The 29.2 and 29 is going to be the Samsungs. These are pulling 29 mega hash, and all these with the Hisense memory are pulling 30.5 mega hashes. So it is bringing the total to about 241. You know, it jumps up, so 241, and everything's running smooth. Now, The highest temperature I'm seeing is about 64 degrees Celsius in the room, because right now I'm currently running my desktop in here, so that's run, and I have the door closed for the video purposes. Now I am using Sapphire tricks to do the overclocking on the 580 GTRs. I'm running them at 1130 GPU clock. The memory's at 2100, and I undervolted it by 150 millivolts. And the power limit is at -20, 85 for fans. Now, when everything's turned off and this is running in the room, GPUs are about 58 degrees for all of them, which I'm very impressed, because even with the AC off when I leave, it's still below 60 degrees Celsius when it's running. Now, currently, I did take a shelf from the garage, did rig it up because I didn't want the monitor sitting on the floor, so I did this temporarily until I probably wall mount the monitor. But I'm actually, as you guys know, I mentioned another rig. So I am going to be building another rig, as you see. I have a frame here, and I have more GPUs, some Sapphire Special Editions, the MSI Armors, and then also more MSIs down there. Another frame, boxes from Amazon. Our goal is to probably do 3 more of these, is what we want to be at. But we're very, very impressed with this. At 241 mega hashes, this thing is making definitely a movement, and it is being very, very successful. I had a huge help from Evan's development. He actually helped me out getting it to the 30.5 mega hashes. As you guys know, he's commented on my last video. He actually gave me a hand. Go check out his profile. He is actually doing his own thing, and he is, you know, helping people out. So definitely giving him a shout out. We really do appreciate it from over here from Reviewi.t. And tell you the truth, I was stuck at 27.8 mega hashes for a while. It was about 210 mega hashes total, and he basically said, hey Jay, try this, and it worked. And I really do appreciate it. So definitely show him some love. And I didn't forget about you guys. We did break 100 subscribers, so we're actually going to be doing the mouse giveaway. So the mouse giveaway I am going to be doing very, very shortly for you guys. So I'm ecstatic. I think we're at 115 subscribers. So this week I'm going to be doing a random pick from subscribers, and I'm going to be shipping you that Corsair gaming mouse. Just to show appreciation and the love that you guys have been showing for the videos. We really do appreciate it. So stay tuned for that, because the giveaway, I did not forget, and it is going to happen this week. So hopefully by the end of the week we have that video out with that person. Now when it comes to the rig, this build was awesome. 580s, love it, works beautiful. Now the next one we're going to be doing is a little more on a budget side. Rather than 8 gigs, we're going to actually be doing 4 gig cards to see how much hash rate we can get out of those and keeping the cost down. So we definitely want to help you guys out. Now I am currently using Claymore dual miner. I'm only mining for Ethereum. I am probably going to switch to either Ethereum and Ethereum Classic or Ethereum and SIA. That's all up in the air. Let me know what you guys recommend, and I will definitely appreciate it. But stay tuned, because the next build on the budget mining rig will be up very shortly. So I will see you guys, and stay tuned for the giveaway. I will talk to you guys later. This is Jay with Reviewi.t.